I'm gonna talk about the blue planet and its beautiful structure. It's known as the blue planet because of the oceans that cover 2/3 of its surface. And that is where you live and where I live. It is the only planet in our solar system known to support life because it has abundant amounts of water, a reasonable temperature, and a protective atmosphere. Our Earth is the only planet that the temperatures range from 65 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. This makes it possible to have liquid water on its surface. This allowed life to develop 3.8 billion years ago when dinosaurs roamed the prehistoric lands all over Earth. The Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago from small pieces of space debris left over when the sun was born. First, those pieces collided together to a ginormous ball of rock. Over time, the lava cooled. It formed a crust and the continents began to form. The atmosphere was created as the planet cooled, releasing gases and vapor. At last, oceans were formed as rain fell and made it possible for life to begin. Now let's talk about the structure of our Earth. Earth is made up of different layers, which are made up of different elements. Wow, amazing! Let's start with the inner layers. Inner core, outer core, inner mantle and outer mantle. The inner core and the outer core is made up of iron and nickel. But the inner core is solid due to enormous pressure, and it has a radius of 1,220 kilometers. The outer core is liquid and its temperature is lower than the inner core. It holds less pressure. Therefore, the movement of the boiling liquid is responsible. Its radius is about 2,270 kilometers. The inner mantle is solid and it spreads higher temperature waves because it's close to the core and has a radius of 2,900 kilometers. Because of the high temperatures, the outer mantle is affected. This generates a continuous rising movements, causing changes in Earth's crust and creates convection currents. Its radius is 700 kilometers. Next, we have the outer layers of our Earth. First, we have the lithosphere and the hydrosphere. The lithosphere is the surface of the Earth, also known as the crust. It is where we are standing right now. That where we are walking, where we are running, where we build houses. Beneath the oceans, it measures 6 to 11 kilometers. And beneath the mountain ranges, it measures up to 70 kilometers deep. The hydrosphere is all the water on the Earth. That means lakes, rivers, seas, oceans, snow, ice, and even underground waters. It covers 70.8% of Earth's surface. That is so amazing! Next, we have the atmosphere. Our atmosphere is over 700 kilometers thick, according to scientists. Without the atmosphere, direct solar radiation will increase the risk of skin cancer and eye diseases rapidly. The temperature would drop, but not absolute zero. It would be below freezing. With the atmospheres, the solar rays are filtered and the winds distribute the heat. Therefore, we need to keep our planet clean and healthy. There are 5 ways to protect our planet. Say no to plastic. Every year, about 8 million tons of plastic waste escapes to the oceans from coastal nations, and it is killing more than 1.1 million seabirds and animals. Instead of using plastic products, we should use their reusable bags. Plant trees. The second most important way to protect our planet is to start reforestation. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. Drive less, walk more. Driving is one of the biggest causes of pollution. Limiting car use is an important measure to reduce the emission of greenhouse gases, which are accountable for climate change. Save water. Water is wasted more frequently than we can see. Turn off the tap as you are brushing your teeth. Don't turn your shower until you are ready to get and wash your hair. Limit your water usage as you wash your dishes. Changing all habits will be good for both environment and your wallet. Go green. Every time you go shopping, remember to conserve the environment. We should always shop wisely by only buying sustainable products. Look for non-plastic products. Example, bamboo brushes, bamboo cutlery sets, cotton-produced bags, non-woven glossary bags, eco-friendly straws, bamboo made of coffee mugs, etc. On the next video, I'm going to talk about the layers of the atmosphere. So see you soon. Bye! Say bye, Stegosaurus, and say bye, Robin. Bye! Bye!